Hi guys, welcome to Flavian Hub. Today we'll be looking or unboxing this kids camera. So you can see this is a box. I bought color pink for my daughter. So as you can see, we have kids camera here, the best choice for gifts. I don't think there's anything else in the box, just that. Then we have a summer vacation here. So guys, let us unbox and see what is inside. It's just for the kids. So let us see what is inside. Wow. This is the camera. We have some instruction manual, as you can see. We have what we call it, is it a string or what we call it for hooking it up? As you can see, it's pink. So then we have a charging cable, micro USB cable, as you can see, not that long. As you can see, this is the cable. Then we have the camera itself. This is the camera. I bought it in color pink because I have a daughter, so I bought it for her so that he can enjoy taking some pictures. So for the specification, we have a 2-inch screen. Then we have a fixed lens. There's a fixed lens which is at a degree angle. Then we have some buttons here. We have a charging port. We have what do we call it, a micro USB port here, which you can put your micro SD, sorry. Then supports Russian, English and Chinese. And the storage, you can use mini SD, and the maximum support is 32 gigabytes. Then the charging is 5 volts. You can charge with 5 volts. Then we have a shutter button here. As you can see, the shutter button which you use to take pictures, and you can switch from pictures to video using the same button. Then we have on and off switch. Then we have up and down. These are direction, left and right. Then we have, I think this is a microphone. This one, as you can see, we have a microphone here. I don't think if we have anything else, and I think this may be secondary earphone, and I think this might be speaker. Yes, this might be speaker. And we have a, I don't know what's there. I think this is the, either this is microphone and this is for lighting when you are charging. I don't think this works. I'm not sure, but we'll see it out. Then we have screws for opening, and then we have a tag for tag. I think this is called a tag, I think. So you can put it here. Let's try. You can put it like this. Then then this one, it comes here like so, as you can see. Now we have some tag, and I think this is a kind of cool for kids. It's not that large, because when you see on the pictures you may expect to be large, but I have my foot here so we can measure it. As you can see, it's not that big. It's like 3 inches, and also if you measure vertical, as you can see, it's not that large, so don't expect to be something big when you see it on pictures. Let us switch it on and see how it looks like. So place the on and off button, then it will, as you can see, when it is on, it lights blue. So this is the interface. We have the camera itself, then we have video, we have I think this is where you find everything you have taken, whether it's images and video. We have setting, we have games, and then we have music. If you have SD card which have music, you view it here. So let us see the quality of the lens or the camera, how it looks like. So just press this button here. Wow, so as you can see, the quality is not that good for kids, not that bad. Then what we have it again, then we can install our memory card here, like so. Like that, so that you can record videos. You cannot record video if you don't have memory card. So let's us first check the interface. This is still the cancelling or backing. This is still acts at backing. If you want to back, you just press this on and off switch, you go back if you want to go back. So if you go like this is the video, you can just select the video and just you start recording. If you want to recording anything, as you can see, you can record whatever you want here, and then you just back. Then you can just come here, and then we have let's go to settings, let's select, then we have size, we have let's select we have size here, we have the resolution. So if you select the resolution, we have VGA 720 and 1080. Then we have light, you can reduce the brightness of the screen. Then we have timestamp. Then we have volume. As you can see, if you can hear, it has some as you can hear, it has some sound. So it has speaker. This is the speaker. We have speaker down here. Then we have, let's see, we are finished with the settings. Let's see down here if we have anything. We have set time setting, we have auto off, we have languages, then we have display capture, then we have LED off, and then we have reset format and version. So those are all settings which you can find. So guys, after setting, we have games. It has five pre-installed games. Then we have music. The one I have, it doesn't have audio. The downside of this camera is that the battery is bad. I will say that the battery is bad. It cannot last for even 5 minutes when you are holding like this one, when you are using. So for even 5 minutes I don't think if it can reach 5 minutes. Charging, it takes like 2 minutes is full, and for 3 minutes the battery is drained. So the battery is very poor for this camera, but overall for kids it's very nice. If there is any model or if you can find the one which the battery lasts for long. But for this one I have, the battery is very, very poor, but other things, description, specification is very nice for kids. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video, and don't forget to subscribe and comment down below.